Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are in standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video now by using the settings bar and just simply going to right. Here we are. Now let's move to left corner button. When we tap on it, we can open camera settings with videos category at the first position. Now at the second place we have video stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here in this camera app we have one way to stabilize our video better, so let's move back to the video preview now and focus on the settings bar. We have to simply tap on the third from the left button, so just one tap to turn on super steady recording, another tap to turn it off as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.